Hi there, Kevin Tharp here, and today what I'm going to be talking about first is the marketing technology landscape. This is part of my systems discussion for search engine optimization. And so what we've been talking about, or what you've been reading about so far, is that systems are pieces and parts that work together to help us to accomplish a goal. Well, the marketing technology landscape is an inventory of different systems and tools within those systems that have been maintained by the chiefmartech.com blog since 2011. And in 2011, they started with only 150 systems that were out there to work with. So by looking at the marketing landscape super graphics that have changed over the years, what it allows us to do, and you can see it right here, is that it allows us to look at how this has changed. So in 2011, there were only 150 vendors in the marketing technology landscape. By 2012, 350, and you can see the upward growth to where in 2018, there were approximately 7,000 software systems that were working to make the marketing technology landscape work. And you can see within that, the reason I've got this up is because each of these areas represent systems or systems of systems. So there's advertising and promotion. The only thing we really do with advertising promotion is when you're looking at search and social advertising. So when we talk about the paid search stuff, that falls into this advertising and promotion. But that's not the area of focus of this class. Where we spend most of our time in this class is under content and experience and social and relationships, because those are the factors that come most into what we're looking at. And if you look down here, you'll see the SEO is actually sitting within that area, and the SEO is down there. You'll see that there are things that we touch on: mobile apps, video, email, content, etc. There's all kinds of stuff in here. With the DAM, that means digital asset management. When you take the photo courses and you're uploading your stuff to the Widen Dam, that is a system that sits in here. So we actually systematically put you into a lot of these different systems through the different classes that you take as you're making your way through the enterprise systems and the web technology courses. And so what we're going to look at today, again, social and relationships, and of course the data is a big area. When you take the analytics course, that's specifically what we're talking about. When we touch on the analytics, that's in the data. So a whole bunch of systems, but the ones that we want to focus on today are these ones that sit down here in the SEO block. So the SEO, there are a lot of systems in here, software systems, and they pull together a lot of others. And one of the things I want to show you is right here in the middle, you see Raven. That's the tool that we're going to be using in this class. And the reason that we use this tool is that it brings a lot of other tools that are seen in this same set of system of systems into place. So for instance, right here you see Moz. Moz is pulled into Raven tool. You don't have to get another license to use that data because it's part of Raven. There's others in there. I'm not going to dig them out of here because that would be kind of boring for you to watch, but we'll be using the Raven tools, and what we'll do is we'll use that to help us to frame the remainder of the systems discussion that we'll be going through this semester. So that is sort of the 10,000 foot view down to maybe 5,000 foot view of what we're going to be doing. Now what we'll be doing is we'll be moving into Raven to clarify some of the other systems that we're using. So part of what happens is you make your way down. There's the big systems, and then you make your way down to smaller and smaller and smaller systems or components of systems, which are usually still systems. And so that's where we're going to be going from this. I'm going to go ahead and cut this video off until I can go into some of the detailed ones. Hope you've gotten a lot out of this. I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.